Hi, I'm Glenn Nausley, President of Promess Incorporated, coming to you from the IMTS show. I would like to talk a little bit about our control arm display, which is right next to me here. This control arm display, this is an application that Promess has done quite often, and it seems on its face to be a very simple application. You're pressing two bushings into a control arm, and the critical dimension is this ID, this internal dimension on the control arm between the two bushings. But what makes it difficult is you have to press on the sleeves into the control arm, but the dimension is taken off of the inside pins, which is difficult. And the tolerance stack up on the bushing itself makes this a tough application. So what we've done is we have fixtured dimensional probes to measure this critical dimension, this inside dimension of the distance between the pin on the left bushing and the pin on the right bushing. We basically are gauging the part as we're making it. So we press the two bushings in until this dimension is within tolerance. It's what we call gauge and make and gauge. While we're doing this, we're also monitoring the force and position curve on each bushing to make sure they go in with the right amount of force so that it's not too loose or too tight. This application here is an application which translates into a lot of different types of bushing presses. This make and gauge and make philosophy or strategy is something that we've used quite often. And you can have an application where you're making the part and you gauge it all in one station. So you know every single part you make is to tolerance. It doesn't leave the station until it's been adjusted and produced to a very good tolerance. So what I'd like to do, if you have any questions, please feel free to contact Promess. The phone number is 810-229-9334.